So you're between the ages of 18 and 29 years old, and you are a male, and you're trying to figure out where do you start here. Hi, my name is William Gonitz. I am the CEO and founder of Evolution Hair Loss Institute and Advanced Trichology Products. I've spent 20 years plus in the clinics working with clients, and this particular group of products is actually a very solid general idea for individuals who are in this space. If you are between 18 and 29, and even particularly between 18 and 25 years old as a male, these really hit the core issues that are relating to the average individual who's dealing with hair loss in this age bracket. And really those issues revolve around kind of three primary things. One, low vitamin D3, 2, DHT, and 3, scalp health. So this particular bundle of items here is going to be the best thing that you can start with as a general foundation, because if you're losing hair at the top of the scalp, frontal hairline, into the crown, and you're noticing is sort of an accelerated rate of loss, then this is a really good place to start, as well as even if it's slow and gradual, because you'll be minimizing DHT, you're going to be maximizing nutrition, and you're going to be maximizing your scalp health by doing this. The average individual who is in this bracket is typically, early on in life, you're not necessarily going to be eating as well as you necessarily should. You are also not necessarily going to be out in the sun and exercising perfectly and doing a lot of these things. Say you're in school, you're coming out of high school, you're moving into college, you're moving out of college into your career, and you just unfortunately don't have the opportunity to streamline lifestyle. And that is really what this allows you to do, is again, block the things that are going to most efficaciously handle your particular situation. So I want to go over the items of what you would use in this and then why you would use them. Now, obviously, for a more detailed custom analysis, you can certainly go and select the do the hair pull test button, and that will allow you to go through the actual hair pull test, get a little bit more of a customized recommendation. But this is a phenomenal place to start, and I would highly recommend starting here if you are in this age bracket and you are a male. So first and foremost, when you are looking at your situation, are you losing hair again from the top, from the sides, from the back? Most men in this bracket are losing hair from the top, but what they don't notice is they're also losing a little bit of density from the side. When your vitamin D3 drops below about 30 nanograms per milliliter, which is very average for this age group, then you end up seeing an increase in DHT. You have an increase also in shedding along the entire scalp, and basically that impairs your immune system slightly. So when we are recommending things for this particular age bracket, I usually start with a vitamin D3, and that is going to basically be put underneath the tongue. About 1 drop equals 1,000 units of vitamin D, and I recommend in this package actually 5 drops per day. So you put 5 drops underneath your tongue, let it absorb, and this one bottle will actually last you 6 months through this. So definitely we want to use vitamin D3, and that is included in this. Additionally, we want to be working on the scalp. We want to be covering our bases, minimizing a DHT expression of genetic hair loss. So this product, which is a Nutra-M topical scalp serum, you'll actually put about 1 milliliter of fluid on the top of the scalp. You'll actually massage that in before you go to sleep at night. It leaves very little residue, and it's there to block the DHT. It's there to stimulate an actual immune response topically as far as repairment and blood flow, as well as provide topical B vitamins, as well as decrease microbials that may be additionally leading to future or more loss because your scalp is not in a perfect state. So this is something that usually is going to take about 4 weeks to use, but when you use it on the top of your scalp, you're going to really see diminishment in the DHT impact, which is going to allow for better growth and overall improve the overall nutrition to the scalp. Other item internally that I'm going to recommend is the DHT blocker with immune support. Just like it states, it is there to help block DHT internally using all of the right nutraceuticals, including saw palmetto, stinging nettle, pygeum, green tea extract. It also has a gut support, because again, early on in this age bracket, if you're not eating perfectly, this is going to help support the gut to allow for better absorption and improve your overall digestive state, which is going to allow for just overall general health, but obviously improvement of the hair and scalp. Now, I have a couple videos specifically on how to shampoo and condition, but I really want to talk about the benefits, really the necessity for doing this in this particular age bracket, because you should be washing your hair when you're losing your hair about every 24 to 48 hours, preferably every 24. And when you're doing that, you want to shampoo your scalp correctly. And when you're using this shampoo, you're going to get about a quarter size of shampoo onto your hair and scalp. You're going to really vigorously massage this in. You're going to do that completely, then you're going to lean back and rinse, and then you're going to repeat again, so you're actually shampooing twice. And then you're going to use our scalp therapy conditioner, get about a quarter size of that onto your hair and scalp and massage that in, which is going to help support the scalp, diminish inflammation, and overall just encourage even more growth. Collectively, you're managing nutrition by adding vitamin D3, which is actually going to help your liver, help your immune system, help overall nutrition to the scalp. You are blocking DHT both topically and internally with these two items, the Nutra-M and the DHT blocker, and you're cleaning up your scalp with a shampoo and conditioner by shampooing daily. This has a phenomenal rate of success for my clients in this bracket, and you could obviously even take it a step further and do something where you're utilizing low-level laser therapy topically as well, and that is going to help support growth. But our objective is to really get you in the right protocol right out of the gate, and this is going to help support your hair growth and really help you minimize the impact of all of the items that are most likely affecting you in this particular age bracket. There are additional videos to actually follow through on what you should be doing as far as shampooing your hair perfectly, as well as a second video as far as what you want to potentially do with a hair pull test to monitor your progress. But we are here to support you, and please go ahead, if you're in this bracket, feel free to select this package because it is going to be a really good one to start with if you're not going to go for customization. And if you got questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments. I'm happy to help in any way.